Hey folks, I'm HP and today for the first time I think in 3 years there's going to be no tutorials. On Thursday is a certain reason why, because I received a threatening letter on Monday, serious one. I need to call police and disappear for a few days. No kidding, I cannot believe this. And there was a person which I know which somehow got psychological unstable and blamed me for something which had nothing to do with me. And I just came back to Switzerland, but I was in at the North Sea in Germany. Oh, by the way, this is the place where I'm sitting now. It's very nice in Somikon, and that's the reason why no tutorials, because I'm just too tired. But it will continue on Sunday as normal. And don't forget, become a member of the HPCrazy Students Club and support, make the premium membership upgrade to support my expenses I had. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah, but it was nice. Up there I met Annie, my niece, and it was very nice. Yeah. So we see us on Sunday.